Hi, in this episode we are going to solve the circular dependency problem. Remember, we used JSON back reference and JSON managed reference, but this is a way to solve the problem only in one direction. So if we open Postman and we invoke this get API on student, we can see the courses, but if we do the same with course, we can't see the associated students. How to solve the problem? In an easy way, we can remove this JSON managed reference and use an annotation. You can use JsonIdentityInfo, and this is a way to object ID generators dot property generator. Here you must use your ID and object ID generators, property generator. Sorry, here the annotation needs class, so we must use dot class. Great. And you must match your ID with this string. And we can do the same on the student side, on the course side, sorry. And we have to remove this JSON back reference. And great, now restart the application, stop and rerun. And right now we should see even the student associated with a course. So let's retry the API, and great, now we can see the course and the student, and if we go on the student we can see the student and the course. Great.